Please, Happy New Year. How are you doing? This side I'm doing great. Happy New Year 2026. So it's the first video of the year. I'm vlogging now. My first video. It is on 6th of January 2026, and I'm so glad that I get to film this video. So I've been writing down my goals, my 2026 goals. I do write for each month, and again I compile it quarterly, then yearly. So I come up with long-term and short-term videos, which I divide into quarterly, then monthly. Yeah, that is how I do it. So subscribe if you haven't, comment, like, and share my video. And by the way, guys, thank you for the support. You've been supporting me since I joined YouTube in 2024. Now we are in 2026, meaning I have 2 years on YouTube, and I'm glad that I'm still pushing. By this year, my greatest dream is that I want to monetize my channel, please. So watch my videos and share to your friends, and tell them to subscribe to this channel. So tell a friend to tell a friend that Purity Vlogs by Purity has uploaded a video so that I can grow. Yeah, so on today's video, sorry because I'm talking too much. I'm not used to talking. I always vlog the introvert videos, but now 2026 I'll be having chit chats here and there. I was to use this microphone, but unfortunately it has no charge, and again there's no power. Yeah, so subscribe if you haven't, comment, like, and share my videos. Let us go and charge my microphone. I got this microphone from Kilimolia, so I want to charge it. By the way, it maintains power. When you charge it fully, it will maintain it for around some hours. Yeah, let's say around 8 hours. Yeah, let us charge this one. It is a type C microphone, so I use type C to charge. It is charging. You can see there is a red light here. It is charging. When it is full, it will turn to green here. Guys, please comment down the kind of videos that you want to watch on this channel. Please, so that you watch. I get views, then I get watch hours, then I get monetized. Please comment down which kind of videos should I be posting for you people. Yeah, so I love you. Let us continue with the vlog. Besties, I'm having coffee and pancakes. Don't mind my aesthetics. Yeah. Guys, so I'm going to get my hair done from the salon. Yeah, it's a hair wash day. So guys, I'm making dinner. I've prepped the ingredients. There is tomato and chopped onion. Then I'm boiling veggies here. Yeah, the traditional veggies, managu. Yeah, so let us spend this day together. It is the day I went to get my hair done early in the morning. I'll show you the final look. Yeah. I just wanted to show you. I went for this hairstyle. It is beaded braid twist, beaded twist. Love it so much. Yeah, let me come close so you can see it. I love it. I love it. Comment down about it. I also did my nails. This is red. I love it. Yeah, I love red, by the way. Red looks so good. Black on my toenails. This is my dinner. We are having the traditional veg, a piece of chicken and ugali. Yeah. Thank you for watching until this point. Thank you for spending a day with me. So subscribe if you haven't, comment, like, and share my videos. So I'll see you in my next one. Love you, besties. This is a bottle of water. Love you, besties. Bye. See you in my next one.